It isn't easy to access this feature from different platforms. So, any idea how to upload photos to iCloud to free up storage on your iPhone or PC or Mac? Well, we shall collect several solutions to nip this problem in the bud. Section 1. How to upload photos to iCloud from iPhone. Get into your iPhone settings, your name iCloud. Press Photos, turn on Cloud Photo Library. Choose how you want to store your photos. Here, you can select Optimize iPhone Storage and download and keep originals as per your needs. After that, all your iPhone photos and videos will be uploaded to iCloud. And you can look at all photos on your iPhone along with the new photos you added. Section 2. How to move photos to iCloud from PC. Install iCloud for Windows. Sign in with Apple ID. Check Photos box. Click Apply. Open File Explorer. Choose iCloud Photos. Copy desired pictures to Uploads folder. View them on iPhone's Photos and iCloud. Section 3. How to transfer photos to iCloud from Mac. Open Photos on Mac. Click Preferences. Under double quotes Photos double quotes ... in iCloud. Check iCloud Photos Library. Choose Options. Download Originals. Optimize Mac Storage. My Photo Stream. Cloud Photo Sharing. Select Photos will upload to iCloud. Section 4. How to move all photos to iCloud via iCloud.com. Go to iCloud.com in your browser. Log in. Click Photos, Upload. Select Pictures. Click Choose for Upload. Free up computer space selectively. How to upload iPhone photos to computer without iCloud. iCloud's lags can disrupt smooth photo backup. Apple users opt for Mobikin Assistant for iOS, a reliable tool to upload iPhone photos to a computer directly. Use it for safe and hassle-free photo preservation instead of iCloud.